Smoked carrot cake cheesecake. Y'all ready? Let's go. First, into our carrot cake mixture, we're going to be taking some raisins and cognac, getting this a nice gentle mix, setting this aside just like so. Now grabbing in our mixing bowl, we're going to be taking all-purpose flour, sugar, cinnamon, salt, 2 eggs, baking soda, canola oil, grated carrots, and pecans. Mix this nice and well to combine. We're going to be setting this aside. Now grabbing our stand mixer, we're going to be making our cheesecake batter. Taking in cream cheese softened to room temperature, sugar, salt, all-purpose flour, vanilla extract, 2 eggs, 1 at a time, sour cream. Get this a nice gentle blend, just like so. Very nice. Spraying a spring foam pan, adding in pecans and pepper down, then adding in a carrot cake layer first, then cheesecake layer right on top, just like so. Wrapping this in foil and adding in a water bath, just like so. We're going to be smoking this at 250 degrees for 2 hours or until it's set. Back inside our cream cheese frosting, we're going to be taking powdered sugar, unsalted butter melted, cream cheese, vanilla extract, and we're going to blend this nice and well. Cool in the fridge for 4 to 8 hours or overnight. Then adding in our frosting right on top, just like so. Add pecans and carrots for a nice wonderful garnish. And there we have it, an amazing smoked carrot cake cheesecake. As always, please do like, subscribe, follow for future recipes. I hope you have a good day now you're here. Bye-bye.